crafty people, and welcome to day 11 of the Simply Stated Design Advent Calendar for 2024. Let's see what's going on today. It's a great little envelope. Great things come in small packages, isn't that what they say? Okay. All right, 11 it is. I really do love that paper. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's just a whack of sentiments and things. Let me get you squeezed down there. Oh, this is awesome. I love having these accents for my pages and cards. These are fantastic, and I really like these for putting dates on. They're awesome. Some more of these banners. Very nice. And look at all the sentiments ready to go for your cards. Warm wishes, frosty fun, Christmas cheer, season's greetings, happy holidays, oh holy night, joy to the world, Merry Christmas, under the mistletoe, winter wonderland, it's the most wonderful time of the year, baby it's cold outside, ho ho ho, jingle all the way, silent night, holy night, Santa Claus is coming to town, believe in the magic of Christmas, holly jolly Christmas, 'tis the season to be jolly, and deck the halls. A sentiment for every card or scrapbook page you can think of. This is awesome. This is such a super fun day. Thanks so much, Chantel and Simply Stated Design. You are amazing. All right, everyone, have a wonderfully crafty day. And if you enjoy my videos, would you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get notified every time I upload a video.